Hello and welcome to the Mockup Factory. In this video we will talk about smart objects, your secret weapon for fast, flexible and professional mockups in Photoshop. Firstly, a quick word on your mockup template photos. To get the best results, your photos must be high resolution. If you are using a DSLR, use RAW if possible. If you are buying mockups, make sure they are supplied as a PNG or uncompressed high-resolution JPEGs. All the mockups available from the Mockup Studio are supplied as a PSD and have a smart object already embedded in the file and pre-tested with engrave settings to ensure you get great final results. So what is a smart object? A smart object is a special Photoshop layer that lets you add, edit and transform your designs without losing quality. Think of it as a container for your artwork, perfect for swapping out designs, scaling and trying new looks, all without damaging the original template. Every template in the Mockup Studio uses smart objects for design placement. You simply double click the smart object layer, paste in your design and save, and it's instantly updated on the mockup with the right size and angles, making it look true to life. If you are creating your own mockup photos, I will talk you through adding a smart object to each photo to turn it into an efficient mockup template. Okay, before we start, you will need a product photo that you wish to put your designs on and a clear idea of where the design should sit on the product. We tend to use our production file as the template for our designs. These production files have the full product footprint, so we know the placement, size and proportions are correct. So firstly, let's open the JPEG in Photoshop. Click on the File menu and select Open. Navigate to the stored photo that you want to use and click to open the JPEG. Now we'll create the smart object. Click the icon in the left-hand menu bar to draw a rectangle. Drag the rectangle to a similar size of the product footprint, although at this point the placement and size do not matter too much. Once you have created a rectangle, you will notice that a new layer has appeared on the right-hand layer tab. If you can't see the layer box, click on Window in the menu bar and click Layers to show the Layer tab. The new layer will be named something like Rectangle 1 or Layer 1. To make this layer easier to work with, let's rename it to Smart Object 1. Double click over the generic current name and then type your new layer name of Smart Object 1. Right click on Layer Smart Object 1 and select Convert to Smart Object. Now we are ready to properly size and place our smart object with correct distortion. Make sure the rectangle is selected and then we need to use Transform to adjust the distortion. You can access Transform from the Edit menu by clicking Free Transform or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and T. Now right click to bring up the context menu and choose Distort. You can now grab each corner in turn and bring it to the corner of your product or design area. As this smart object will be used over and over, take your time to get the position correct. Bring it close to the edge of the area you want to cover, but don't bring it over the edges. Click Done and you are now ready to place your design into the smart object. If you click Save As and save as a Photoshop file, you will then have the original JPEG in your folder next to the Photoshop file. This can be really useful as Photoshop thumb names often don't show in your File Explorer, so the JPEG is a great visual reference. So that's it. Your mockup template is now updated with a reusable smart object. Smart objects are great for swapping product designs quickly, keeping templates reusable and non-destructive, achieving consistent high quality results every time, and of course for creating hundreds of mockups in minutes using the Mockup Factory bulk mockup generator. If you are not already a subscriber to the Mockup Factory, head over to the mockupfactory.com to see our current offers and subscribe to save hours of mock-up time. Happy mock-up creating. Bye for now.